These are the Sun Paradise Thermo 60 bifold doors. This is a problem lock, which when locked is loose, it's not engaged. When unlocked, won't open at the top at all. Will move a little bit if I forced it at the bottom. The adjoining door with the lock and latch is getting quite stiff, so could perhaps do with a quick look at that. And another lock is quite loose, so keen for you to look at that as well.
Could mean that the wheels need replacing. If you have any of these issues, then feel free to get in touch. I have a great deal of experience in fixing bifold doors throughout England. Feel free to give me a call.